Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will see the economic subject, roll number 3rd B section, electricity demand. Topic 3.4, types of price electricity demand. Number 1, perfectly electricity demand. Second, perfectly unelectricity demand. Third, unitary electricity demand. Fourth, relatory electricity demand. 5, relatory unelectricity demand. Number 5, perfectly electricity demands, meaning when the slide is the zero change in the price, the brain about the infinite change of the quantity demand that the commodity, it is a collect perfectly electricity demand. It is also in theoretical concept. Example, 10% fall of price may lead by infinite rise of the demand. The price is 10% less than price 10% less than demand more than. Number first, the example, it is equal to percent change in the quantity demand upon percentage change in the price in infinite. Example, it is equal to infinite. Ed is equal to infinite. Infinite. Diagram explanation. X quantity demand and price. D Ed is equal to infinite. The price 10% less than demand more than. Second figure, demand curve is the horizontal line. Horizontal lines. The parallel of the x-axis indicates perfectly electricity demand. Second, perfectly unelectricity demand. It is equal to 0. It is equal to 0. The diagram explanation. X quantity demand and price. Y series. Constant. Second, perfectly unelectricity demand, it is equal to 0. When percentage change in the price has the effect of the quantity demand on the commodity, the correct of perfectly electricity demand. For example, 20% fall, the price have a effect of quantity demand. It is equal to percentage change delta Q upon percentage delta P. It is equal to 0. AD is equal to 0 upon 20 is equal to AD is equal to 0. The diagram explanation. When price rise, the OP DD demand curve P2 P1. Q ED is equal to 0. The OP2 OP1 when price call the OP2 OP2 demand remains unchanged at OQ. Therefore, the demanded curve in the vertical side in the line of parallel y-axis indicated perfectly an electricity demand. Number 3, unitary electricity demand. Unitary electricity demand. Diagram. X 0 Y price quantity demand D ED is equal to 1. When percentage change in the price lead the permanent change of the quantity demand is the set of unitary electricity. Unitary electricity, for example, 50% fall price in commodity lead the 50% less quantity of demanded. ED is equal to percentage delta Q upon percentage delta P is equal to ED is equal to percentage delta Q percentage delta P is equal to 50 upon 50 is equal to 1. The percentage price 50% less than demanded 50% less than. Price 50% more than, price 50% more than, demanded more than. Number 4, relatively electricity demand. The diagram expression X quantity demand, Y is equal to price. D ED is equal to 1. When the percentage change in the price lead to more and proportionate change in the quantity demanded. The demand is the share of the relative electricity. For example, 50% fall price leads the 100% rise quantity demanded. Price is the 50% less than price 50% less than 100% demand more than the price is 50% less than demand is the 100% more than the reliability electricity demand it is equal to 0 1. Five number reliability in electricity demands. ED is equal to more than 1. Diagram explanation. Y price quantity demand X Q1 P1. DD demand curve left to right downside. ED is equal to more than 1. The example, reliability and electricity demand ED is equal to more than 1. When the percentage change in the price lead the less in proportionate goods of the quantity demanded. The demand is the share of the relative electricity. For example, 50% price falls and 20% rise quantity demanded is equal to ED is equal to percentage change data Q upon percentage change data P is equal to quantity 25% 25 and upon 50 is equal to 0.5. First, perfect electricity demand is equal to it is equal to unified. Second, perfect electricity demand it is equal to 0. Inverter electricity demand demanded it is equal to more than 1. 4, reliability electricity demand it is equal to 1 and 5 reliability in electricity demand it is equal to more than 1. Demanded price is the quantity 25 and price of 50, the more than 0.5. The explanation today we will the 5 concept. First, perfect electricity demand. Second, perfectly unelectricity demand. Third, unitary electricity demand. 5, reliability electricity demand. Number 5, unelectricity demand. Today we will topic the explanation. Tomorrow we will see the method of measurement price electricity demand, ratio method, total expenditure method, and third, linear expenditure method. Thank you.